Hello everyone, welcome back in my online classes. Today we are going to discuss about another patterns of inheritance, that is codominance. After the discussion of the Mendel's law, we came to know there are various other patterns are also present which are not following law of Mendel, and we are understanding about such kind of patterns. What Mendel told us, whenever we have presence of the dominance, we will have the expression of the dominance, and when there is absence of the dominance, we'll have the expression of the recessive allele. Mendel focused on that one contrasting traits, and he selected that one only two characters, two alleles. He talked about only two alleles. After the research in the field of the genetics, we came to know there are also the concept of multiple alleles. It means more than two alleles can also control the characteristics. They are also participating in inheritance, and we have a great example of ourselves, are that blood group, that it is controlled by three kinds of alleles. That is also the example of the multiple alleles. Our blood group is the example of the multiple alleles, and it is also the example of the codominance. We'll focus on our topic and we'll take also that multiple alleles as well. When we have this word, what do you think about this word co means you have many times coexistence. It means together. Co means together. Whenever we have this word, it means together we have expression, and we'll take on the detailing of this one. When we observe about human beings, what we are observing, there are three kinds of genes are there. Three kinds of alleles are there. It is having antigen A, and it will produce antigen B, and it is not having antigen. What we need to focus on, that this IA and IB both are dominant over this I. These are three alleles responsible for that inheritance of the blood group. So these two are dominant over this one. That is the concept. And then whenever we have that one formation of the blood groups, these three alleles are controlling. How they are controlling, we'll discuss on that one. It is very simple. When we have that parent 1, parent 2, parent 2, and then we have a genotype of offspring, and then we have blood group. Of offspring. Parent 1, parent 2, then when they are mating, we have a formation of the genotype, and then we will have the determination of the blood group. We know that this concept. So whenever we have if parent 1 is having this one, what we have a genotype, we have to write like this. And what is the blood group? Blood group is A. That is a simple one. Whenever we have a genotype, this one, we know that it is recessive. Write the genotype of offspring. Recessive is not expressing. We know that one. What is the blood group of offspring? This one. And whenever we have genotype, parent A is having this allele and parent B is having this allele. When they are mating, we will have the formation of genotype of offspring. Is it? And then which kind of blood group offsprings are having? You can see that is the, we have a change we are observing. I hope you are understanding. Here A and B both are dominant and both are able to express themselves. That is, my dear students, codominance. Both are able to express, and that is the example of the codominance. So we discussed about the multiple alleles and codominance. Let's take other combinations as well. When we have here B and when we have, what is the genotype, what is the blood group, because this one is recessive, it will not express. That is the concept, already we know that. And whenever we have this one, what is the genotype and what is the blood group? AB. Whenever we have this one, both are recessive, what is the genotype, what is the blood group? O. Because recessive, when both recessive are there, we have the formation of the blood group O. So in case of the offsprings, blood group O is present. That is the concept, my dear students. It is a very easy to understand. Let's define codominance. It is very easy to define with the help of this understanding, and you understood. What is the definition? What should be the definition? When two dominant alleles are combined together, they are able to express together. It means after the combination of the two dominant alleles, both the alleles express themselves. That is the codominance. Very easy to understand, and it is very important concepts. You will get many questions based on this understanding. Parent 1, parent 2, genotype and the blood group. This is the important and crucial step, how to form genotype. That is a simple one, we know that, but you are the master to make simple into complex. That's why I'm explaining this one. This is a simple one. This unite and we have the formation of this genotype. Now when we focus on the probability method in genetics, you have to calculate that what is the probability of inheritance of the blood group. Let's take one example. I am explaining you. Try to focus on that one. Codominance I explained you. We'll take about, this is, you should keep in mind, when we have father and mother. Father blood group is A and mother blood group is B. Now we will have to calculate and we will have to assume what will be the probability of blood groups in offsprings. Let's take how to solve this one. We have to make the genotype form. How this one? A. What are the possibilities of having A and what are the possibilities of having B? Let's take A can be in two situations. This is the situation. and here this is the situation. In both the situation we have appearance of blood group A, and that B in two situation, sorry, it is B. We have the formation of blood group B, we have the formation of blood group B. This is the situation, my dear students. Now we have to draw Puneet square, and then we will predict possibilities of blood group. Let's take, you need to focus on the crosses. We know that father and mother, so cross like this. Okay, we have to check. With this condition we will have to cross, then with this condition we will have to cross. So let's take one by one. How many boxes will be there? 4 boxes will be there, because we are getting that probability. What is the probability? So we have this one, IB. Okay, so what is the blood group? AB and AB. Are you understanding this one? Simple Puneet square. In this condition, when genotype, because father can be this one also and it can be this one also, so that's why we have to check both the condition. When we have a cross of this one with this one, all offsprings, they have AB blood group. It means 100% AB. What we are getting here, 100% AB. Now see the second condition. Second condition, you need to that one understand. IB, and then we have I here. Now try to match this one. This one is AB. This one AB. This one AB. And this one is A. Because it is recessive, it is dominant. So what is the blood group in offspring? A. And here what is the A? So when we calculate 50% AB and 50% blood group is A. That is the probability method. Now we have this one. We have to cross with this one. Just make it. I am telling you how to calculate the probability. When you practice, you can calculate easily. I. So focus on that one. Dominant AB. This one is AB. This one is B. This one is B. What we have? 50% AB and 50% B. That is the cross between this one with this one. Now cross between this one and this one. What is the result we are doing here? Try to understand. We have then we have IB and I. When we have this genotype, see that one AB, B, and then we have A and O. It means four kinds of blood groups are there. That A, B, B, A and O. It means with this genotype, we will have a formation of 4 kinds. So what is the probability? 50%, 25% AB, 25% B, 25% A and 25% O. This is the probability method you are going to get in your examination. In the competitive exams also this probability method is coming. It is damn simple, my dear students, when you know how to form genotype. That's why it is a very crucial point. And you should also understand that by which ways blood group A is there. It means genotype, you know that. When we change this condition, Suppose when mother is O and father is B, so focus on the O, we have only this condition, and B we will have two condition. So how many boxes will be there? 3 boxes. 3 Puneet square will be there. Simple. So that is the probability method. Let me know you have understood or not. You should comment. You should also raise your questions, ask your doubts. We will solve questions based on the probability method. I gave you the explanation of this one. We'll meet again. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you everyone.